Let's talk about something you've probably never thought about, the engineering inside a tiny plastic screw.
Sounds crazy, right? But in high-power electronics, one wrong screw can cause a catastrophic failure. You see, metal screws conduct electricity and create interference, a huge problem in today's tech. And that's where engineering plastics come in. They're the perfect fix for this tricky electrical problem. But not all plastics are created equal. We gotta measure their electrical superpowers with 3 key tests. First, dielectric strength. Think of it as a plastic's electrical breaking point, how much voltage it can take. Then there's volume resistivity, basically how good it is at stopping electricity in its tracks. And the CTI score? That tells us how well it holds up when things get dirty or wet. All right, time to meet the super plastics, the real heroes of the power industry. Each one has its own specialty, from handling crazy heat to being incredibly strong. Rennie is a total beast. Its strength is actually comparable to some types of aluminum. Wild, right? And PTF? It's like a non-stick pan for microwaves. Stopping energy from getting wasted is heat. But how do these plastics actually perform under extreme stress? Let's check out a real-world test. So scientists threw these screws into hot transformer oil to really push them to their limits. Visually, they all looked fine. But the data? Well, the data told a completely different story. Okay, get this. PPS actually got a bit stronger. Peak dropped a little, and Rennie, it took a big hit. Yeah, Rennie, our steel of plastics, lost over 17% of its twisting strength. This means its screw threads get weak in hot oil, even if it's still strong overall. So, with all that in mind, how do you pick the right plastic champion for your project? If you need pure strength to replace metal, go with Rennie. Just keep it out of hot oil. For high-voltage jobs where you can't afford failure, PPS and Peak are your best bets. And when you're dealing with high-frequency stuff, PTFE is the undisputed champ, hands down. So it's gone from just a simple fastener to a critical component, a huge evolution. It really makes you think, what other tiny, invisible parts are quietly changing our world?